In an interview. Oh.
Pardon? Hello, sir. What is your name?
Hello. My name is Shane Henry.
Okay. And why are we interviewing you today?
I don't know.
You don't know. Well, today I just found out that you walked here from Tennessee.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. How long did it take you to walk here?
1 million years.
No, seriously.
About 4 months.
4 months. And how did you sleep?
Comfortably.
In what?
In a sleeping bag.
In the woods?
Yes.
In the middle of the
And what did you eat?
All sorts of things.
Like?
What didn't I eat? Poop. I didn't eat poop.
What did you eat?
I ate greens from Mother Earth herself. Nuts. From trees. Not mountain oysters. Let's see. All sorts of things.
Oh. And so you found a friend while you were kind of like the movie Wilson in the movie. He found Wilson.
Yeah, except mine wasn't a volleyball.
But what did you find?
Well, his name's Jaya, and he's a sweet little puppy.
He's a puppy?
Yeah. Well, not anymore. He's a big dog.
Because you had him for 4 months while you were walking
He's
from
about 9
Tennessee
months
to
old
Broken
now.
Arrow. Okay, and you're leaving here and you're going back to Tennessee
That's correct.
on a scooter this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you sleep in a tent or you're sleeping back again?
Absolutely.
And then from Tennessee you're going to
San Diego. California.
And how long is it going to take you this time?
Only about 5 days.
Wow. That's amazing. So I'm not making this up. You're not making this up. Like, you're not lying. Like, you seriously walked here.
Seriously.
Like, walked.
Wow.
You should get the scooter. It's outside.
For 1 foot in front of
Is it really?
the road.
Wow. See, this is fine. Say, I am a fine product
I am a fine product
of
my
Olive
mom.
Garden.
Of Olive Garden.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.